Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily check your order history on Facebook. Whether you've made a purchase from Facebook Marketplace, an in-app shop, or through a Facebook ad, this is the best way to keep track of all your orders in one place. So let's dive in. Alright, the first step you have to take, guys, is of course open your Facebook app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the three lines or menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, guys, you have to click on settings and privacy. Right here, click on settings and privacy, and then you just have to scroll down a little bit and you find orders and payments option right here. Tap on it. Once you do that, guys, you'll be able to see your recent activity, and that is actually your order history. So if you've made any order on Facebook before, you'll be able to find it right here. And if you have orders that have not yet been delivered or completed, you can see it at the top. There's a cart icon right there. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see all orders that are added to cart. All right, so that's it, guys, on how you can check your order history on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.